Well, I'm going to be using the 550 from Magnet Store. Oh, there you go. Just pulled out an old wooden handle spanner. It's a cool find.
I started watching this guy.
There we go. Got an old brick hammer, I believe. Old pickaxe, maybe. There we go. Keiran has just found himself a hammerhead as well. So I've got one and Kieran's got one. Sweet.
There's something big and heavy there.
I can't believe this.
Pulled off.
Train track explosive and a massive plaque, probably part of the old train track. So I've just been on the phone to Network Rail. One of their workers is going to give me a call back and discuss what to do with the train track explosive. So I will let you know. And whilst I'm waiting for the phone call, I'm going to get all the scrap in bags and load it into this trolley. We've got all this, a bucket full. Yeah, it's quite a lot here. So that's some of the scrap all loaded in the trolley. And we're gonna have a couple more dips. Sorry about the sunlight. We've got Simon that has just started practicing magnet fishing really. He's having a few throws with Kieran's new magnet. So yeah, I'm still waiting for a phone call from the Network Rail. Hopefully it's soon. But all the scrap is in the trolley. We're gonna have a couple more throws. Not often you see this on a magnet fishing trip, but for this guy with a parrot.
Yeah, his name is Junior, mate. Hello.
Beautiful.
Hello. Hello.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's about 1 year old now.
1 year old.
Yeah, 1 year old. He's loving it. Oh, just take it and get it.
So there we go.
Right,
Simon
yeah.
has just found himself a wooden handle hammer as well. So Network Rail will be here in about 5 minutes to take away the train track explosive. We are moving all the scrap and we are going to head that way towards the embankment on the other side. Sweet. Well, Network Rail's just turned up and surprise, surprise, it's the same guy from yesterday. So yeah, he's gonna take it away. But we're gonna move to the other side on the embankment. I'll bring you back when we get to the other side. Sweet. So we're back on this side now. Did hear a massive explosion, like a car crash. See smoke as well, and fire brigade were on scene. I think it's probably a bit further down the bridge, maybe. Gonna have a few throws here and see what we can find. Well, magnet fishing is a thirsty job, but I didn't think Keiran would find himself a Heineken.
I actually fancy a beer as well.
I don't think he's going to drink that one though. Sweet. There we go. Got a Zippo lighter. Well, the other week I asked Keiran if he had a torch because I want to explore in the old mill right at the far end there. And I have just pulled out a torch. Shame it don't work. Sweet.
Magazine as well.
There you go. Bunch of coins. Sweet. So it's been a productive day. Whole trolley full of scrap. I've had 2 hammers out and a spanner. And Kieran's had this big hammer out as well. And
I was in the other bucket.
put it in the other bucket. We've got a bags of scrap. We filled one whole trolley with scrap. We found a railway explosive. The Network Rail come down and collected it. It was the same guy from yesterday, so thanks to him. And that is it from me. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also go over to Keiran's page, Iron Inspector, on Facebook, and we will see you again on another adventure. Sweet.